morning to all of you, dear students. Today, the next topic I will teach distance and displacement in motion. Distance. What is distance? The total path covered by an object is called distance, and the displacement, the shortest, the shortest distance between two objects is known as displacement. I'm drawing the diagram. Distance and displacement. Distance. This is point A, and this is a person traveling start from point A and reach point B. Suppose this is 10 kilometer. Okay, this is distance A. The distance between A and B is 10 kilometer. And when a person start from point A, then reach to point B 10 kilometer, then again return in this point. Suppose this is C, this is C. Then in this condition, this is 5 kilometer. The distance between A and C is 5 kilometer, means displacement is 5 kilometer, but the distance between A and B is 10 kilometer. Okay. Now I am drawing the second diagram. Point A, one person is coming in circular form here. This is point B. This is point B. This circular path or this this path is total 100 kilometer. What is 100 kilometer? The distance. This is the distance. Total path from A to B is 100 kilometer. But this, suppose let this point, this distance is, this length is 10 kilometer. What is 10 kilometer? Means the total 100 kilometer is the distance. 100 kilometer is the distance, and 10 kilometer is the displacement. Displacement is what? The shortest distance between two paths. Understood? And third, suppose this is point A and point B. The total length of point A to B is, suppose 10 kilometer. Again 10 kilometer. If a person starts from here point A and reach to point B, that is 10 kilometer. Understood? फिर वो यहाँ एक पर्सन A से B में जाता है, 10 किलोमीटर हो गया. ठीक है, अब वो फिर से B से A में आएगा तो कितना हो जाएगा? 10 प्लस 10 कितना होगा? 20. 10 प्लस 10 20 किलोमीटर. लेकिन जब एक पर्सन यहाँ से पॉइंट B गया, ठीक है, 10 किलोमीटर हो गया, लेकिन वहाँ वापस ये इसी पॉइंट पे आ जाता है, वापस इसी पॉइंट में आ जाता है. डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होगा? जीरो. डिस्प्लेसमेंट जीरो मीन्स नो डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ठीक है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट उस कंडीशन में होगा जीरो. अब कुछ पॉइंट्स वी विल डिस्कस. डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. What is distance? Total length of path covered by an object is called distance, and displacement, the shortest distance between two objects, is known as displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity because no direction required, and displacement is a vector quantity. Number 2, distance is always positive. Distance is always positive. Distance can be positive, negative, or zero. Displacement can be positive, negative, or zero. Third, okay. Thank you.